This fanfiction is only for entertainment purposes, so please don't take it seriously and don't be offended. It's just a story made out of imagination, so it doesn't define any character in real life. I hope you'll enjoy the story and leave positive comments without hating the author and character. I don't own any pictures, but the storylines are completely mine. I will do voiceover, so you can mute it if you want. Hope you will like the video.
This fanfiction is a bonus part of my another story, Popular Girl Who Hates You, Pushed You on the Lap of College Bad Boy Taehyung one shot. I will give the link in description for those who wants to read first part too, but those who don't want to, they can continue from right here because I won't let you feel that this is a part of another story. Hope you like it. Taehyung silently jump in your room from the window. It was late at night, that's why you were sleeping peacefully, yet here he was with his new plan to make you fall for him. From last 1 week, you are going on dates with him because you have a deal with him. According to which, he will anyhow make you fall for him, and if he won't able to make you fall for him in next 2 months, then he will do what you wants. He is not only your college bad boy but your secret fiancé too, and you agreed to this silly deal, just because you want to cancel this wedding. You want a love marriage, not arranged, that's why he decided to make you fall for him instead. His heart skipped a beat as he saw you sleeping on bed peacefully with a small smile like you are seeing a wonderful dream. He carefully took a chair, placed it near your bed and kept staring at you after sitting on it. He was intensely staring at you when you were sleeping peacefully, unaware of any of this. You open your eyes as sunlight fall on your face. While stretching your arms, your gaze fall on your left side and a small scream left your mouth while you nearly got an attack. Taehyung was still sitting there, looking at you with a smirk and an amused look. You sat up on bed while glaring at him sharply and was about to say something when he spoke. Taehyung grinned, for someone who claims to hate me, you say my name a lot in your sleep. Wine gritted her teeth, must have been a nightmare. You say throwing fireballs on him through your eyes. Taehyung, strange nightmare you have, princess, because I remember you begging me to slow down. He say, putting his hand beside your waist and leaning towards you, making you bite your lower lip. Wine, F*CKU. Taehyung, is that what we were doing in your pleasure land? Oops, I mean in your nightmare, princess. He say, smirking as his other hand took out the loose rubber band from your hair, making your hair fall back. Taehyung, you wore this just to mess with my head, didn't you? Congrats, you succeed. He say, smirking while staring at you from head to toe. You were wearing your cute bunny night dress. Wine, come out from your delusional world. It's a night dress, not lingerie, which can mess with your head. To start with, do you even have it? I don't think so, otherwise you won't dare come into the room of a daughter whose mother is a boxing champion. You say while grabbing his collar, then his wrist, and pulled him down on his stomach. You sat on his back while twisting his hand. Taehyung, ouch. Ouch, princess. I won't look good in our wedding photos if you accidentally end up breaking my hand. Wine kept dreaming that's never happening. You say, twisting it more behind his back while he smirked. Taehyung, oh, I knew it. My sweet fiancé will never break my hand. Wine, I am talking about our wedding, you idiot. Taehyung, grinning. We have the whole day to talk about it, princess. Why so eager? Can't wait to decide our venue and aha. Wine, shut up and don't oversmart me, otherwise I will break your every bone right here. You say, irritated while he grinned ear to ear. Taehyung, so you will touch me everywhere? Yn, are you deaf? I say I will break your every bone, not that I will touch you. Taehyung, crazily smiling, both are the same things. For breaking my every bones, you have to touch me everywhere. Can I get this honor of being touched by you everywhere, princess? He say, making your mouth hung open as you scoffed, seeing him listening and thinking only what he wants. You left his hand and sat beside him while glaring at him. Taehyung sat across you while blushing and stretching his hand. Taehyung, you know you can beat me without even touching me, yet you hold my hand and pulled me beneath you. I don't know you love submissive man, princess. Even though I am famous for my ruthless and cold behavior, yet just for you I can become your bottom. He say, blushing and hiding his face in the pillow. You blinked at his delusional self and mumbled. YN, delusional at soul. You say, then grabbed his collar and pulled him a little towards yourself. YN, shut up and listen to me carefully. If you dare sneaked into my room again without my permission, then I am gonna end this deal of our right there, and our marriage, which isn't gonna happen, will definitely won't happen. Taehyung, innocent, so I can sneaked into your room again with your permission? He asked, looking into your eyes while you open your mouth in irritation yet close it again, seeing the genuineness in his eyes, something which always stop you from hating him. YN, we will see about that later. Right now leave. I will come to your house in afternoon, then we can go on our movie date, alright? He nodded while looking at you with his puppy eyes. You left towards the washroom while he stroked his own cheek and smiled, realizing how much he liked this bold and dominating nature of yours. He blushed, then left through the same way he came here. You were sitting in your usual corner with your laptop open, glasses on, highlighting notes like a serious future IAS officer. And then, a shadow fell over your book. YN, without looking, if that's Taehyung, turn around and leave before I throw my stapler at your forehead. Taehyung, whispering dramatically, off. So much violence in one mouth. And I haven't even kissed it yet. You looked up, and yep. There he was. In a hoodie and cap like a wanted criminal. YN, you're banned from this place. Taehyung, sitting beside you, banned from the library, not banned from your heart. YN, growling, security. Taehyung, hiding under the table, SHH. You wouldn't rat out your fiancé, would you? That's betrayal. Illegal in marriage. You kicked his leg under the table. Taehyung, popping back up, whispering, I brought snacks. You narrowed your eyes. He pulled out a packet of dark chocolate, a packet of Maggi, and a mini rose in a ketchup sachet. Taehyung, dead serious, for my love. May our marriage be spicy, sweet, and slightly unhealthy. YN, why are you like this? Taehyung, grinning, because every time you roll your eyes, I fall deeper in love. You tried to ignore him. Really? But the boy was now slowly reading your notes out loud in a sexy voice. Taehyung, seductively, Chapter 4. Mughal Empire. Babur invaded India, just like I'm invading your heart. You slapped his arm, and he dramatically fell off his chair. Taehyung, from the floor, OW. I think I broke a rib. Only your kiss can heal me. Librarian, from far, who's making noise? You glared at him. Taehyung, whispering, if she catches me, she'll throw me out again. Hide me. Quick. Under your dupatta. YN, what dupatta? Taehyung, then I guess I'll have to hide in your heart. Before you could scream, he slid under the table, and your chair jerked back. Now he was literally sitting between your legs, under the desk, smirking up at you like a villain in a drama. Taehyung, teasing whisper, if I stay here long enough, you'll either kill me, or fall for me. You tried to kick him. He grabbed your ankle gently and winked. You looked down at him, panicking, heart racing, face burning. And you whispered the only thing you could think of. YN, I hate you. Taehyung, kissing your ankle through your jeans, liar. 1 month passes like this and he tried his best to make you fall for him, yet you remained like you were before. You both go on many dates in these last few weeks, enjoy to your heart, and you got to know him better. You found out that how he always took care of your comfort. He's crazily in love with you yet never forced his feelings on you. He just tried to make you realize the depth of his feelings, and you do. Your heart started beating every time you saw him smiling like a child at you, not like the cold bad boy he was. He genuinely wants it. You and him. Us. That's all. You were sitting in his room waiting for him to come out from his washroom so that you both can go to your movie date. YN, I swear, I am gonna come in if you don't come out right now. You say, faking anger while eyeing his big photo completely, smiling because he was shirtless in that picture. Taehyung, I would be glad if you do. Taehyung say with a low chuckled. You can still hear water flowing sound. Something came in your mind and you leaned your back on the bathroom door. YN, but brother, how could I? Your cute little sister came inside when you are already in? You say playfully, knowing that now he will surely come out. Just then you heard the door opening voice and a small smirk formed on your lips, but it vanished immediately when his hand come out from the washroom and he grabbed your wrist. In the spur of moment, he pulled you inside, not even giving you a chance to think. You breathed heavily as your back was leaned on the bathroom door. Shower was still on and he was completely drenched. His darkened eyes stares at you as he shrugged his wet hair at you, making you close your eyes because water droplets fall on you from his hair. Taehyung, don't you think you have gone too far with your joke this time? YN, Tae Taehyung. You say breathless while opening your eyes slowly, only to find him looking intensely at you. He just hum and respond while his thumb starts stroking your cheek. Taehyung, careful, princess. If you keep staring like that, I might start undressing, and you won't be able to stop me. He say as his thumb traces a line from your cheek to your lips and he smirked darkly. Taehyung, my lips are bored. Yours wanna play? He say, tracing your lips while you gulp, knowing that this is real he. The dominating and obsessed one. From last 1.5 months he's just pretending like he is cute, innocent and submissive one, hiding his true intentions. When nothing works on you, he's showing you his real obsessed side today. You bite his finger between your teeth tightly, but he just grinned. Taehyung, there are many other things which you can suck or bite. Why wasting your energy on this insignificant finger, princess? He say while you left his finger and say while grabbing his throat lightly. YN, careful Mr. Kim. I can report you for assault, or maybe better just end your game right here. No one will even doubt me if I say that I did this for self-defense. You say with a smirk, only for his eyes to darken more. You can see that strange sparkle in his eyes, like he loved your attitude and behavior. He grabbed your hand and slowly slid it down towards his chest. You didn't even look down, knowing he wasn't even wearing anything down there, but you were wrong because he wrapped a towel around his waist before pulling you in, not wanting to do cross his limit. Taehyung, feel that? That's what you do to me. And baby, if you don't want to take responsibility for it, stop teasing me. YN, I am not teasing you. Taehyung, smirk, you are. Even you breath tease me so much. I am gonna mad if you don't stop now. You chuckle sarcastically hearing his words. YN, You already are. Taehyung, yes I am. I am so much mad for you. He say while wrapping his hand around your waist then pulled you towards himself. Taehyung, your body fits mine so perfectly, like it was made to be ruined by me. He say proudly while stroking your cheek again. Vian, you really wants to die by my hands today. Taehyung, even death by your hands will be heaven, princess. The heaven I will gladly accept. Vian, you think you can win like this? Only 1.5 weeks is left yet you aren't able to make me fall for you. Is this how you gonna win this deal? Taehyung, smirk, I already win. He say looking at you intensely. Vian, delusional much. You say with a shrug when he slide his finger from your arm to your wrist then hold it and bring your hand near his mouth. He kissed on your finger ring with a smug face. Taehyung, you wouldn't have wear this ring which my mother sent if you wanna reject me. Princess, you already fall for me and there's no other way to explain it. Even if there are then too, you become mine the moment I say so. So now no one can take you away from me. Not even myself. He says snuggling his face in the crook of your neck while you see *RSE yourself internally for wearing that ring. He was right that you accept this relationship yet you want to enjoy this drama for some more time. You were having fun but it ends now because now he's just he who's obsessed with you. Suddenly you felt his lips moving on your neck making you made whimper sound while running your hand through his hair not wanting him to stop yet slightly pushing him away to not show him your true self either. He smirked knowing how much he affects you now and kept taking you to a pleasurable land. Tilde the end tilde.